Starting an online business in just 30 days might feel like a tall order, but with a clear plan and consistent effort, you can turn your idea into a reality. The key is breaking the process down into manageable steps and focusing on execution. Here's how you can do it. Days 1 to 5. Identify your idea and test its potential. The first step is choosing a business idea that aligns with your skills and passions. Whether you're thinking of selling products, offering a service, or creating digital content, make sure there's demand for it. Research your target audience. What are their pain points, and how can you solve them? Use tools like online surveys, forums, or even social media polls to gather feedback. Remember, the goal is to validate your idea before you invest too much time or money. Days 6 to 10. Map out your strategy. Once you've confirmed your idea has potential, it's time to strategize. Decide on your business model. Will you sell through a website, a platform like Etsy, or direct to clients? Set clear goals for the first month. How many sales or clients do you want? Write down actionable steps like creating your branding, setting up payment methods, and finalizing your offerings. This phase is about turning your vision into a roadmap. Days 11 to 15. Establish your online presence. Your online presence is how people will find and trust your business. Start by choosing a platform. For physical products, consider Shopify or Amazon. If you're offering services, create a professional website with platforms like Squarespace or WordPress. Keep it simple, highlight your value, include testimonials or samples if you have them, and make it easy for customers to contact or purchase from you. At the same time, build profiles on relevant social media platforms to start connecting with your target audience. Days 16 to 20. Develop your offering. With your presence taking shape, focus on refining your product or service. If you're selling physical goods, ensure you have a reliable supply or inventory ready. For digital products like ebooks, courses, or templates, this is the time to finish creating them. If you're offering a service, clearly outline what's included and your pricing tiers. Make your offering simple to understand but compelling enough to attract customers. Days 21 to 25. Start marketing your business. Marketing is what will get your business noticed. Begin by sharing your launch on social media. Use stories, posts, and reels to generate interest. If you're comfortable with paid ads, run a small campaign on platforms like Facebook or Instagram. Email marketing is another great option. Offer a freebie, like a downloadable guide, to collect email addresses and nurture potential customers. The goal here is to drive traffic to your website or profile and create buzz. Days 26 to 30. Launch and refine. It's time to launch. Announce your business to your audience and encourage them to check it out. Track your performance right away. How are people interacting with your website or offers? Use analytics tools to see what's working and where improvements are needed. Don't be afraid to tweak things like pricing, messaging, or ads if the results aren't meeting expectations. Post-launch success tips. 1. Prioritize customer experience. Make sure every interaction a customer has with your business is positive. 1. Respond promptly, solve problems quickly, and go the extra mile. 2. Build momentum. Don't stop marketing after launch. 2. Keep sharing updates, offering promotions, and engaging with your audience. 3. Streamline your operations. As your business grows, look for ways to save time, such as automating email responses or scheduling social media posts. Starting a profitable online business in just 30 days is challenging, but by following these steps, you can set the foundation for long-term success. Take it one day at a time, stay flexible, and keep your end goal in sight. The most important thing is to start. Your future business is waiting.